Today I have something incredibly relaxing and beneficial for your skin. A facial oil massage. Oil massages are a wonderful way to pamper your skin, improve blood circulation and boost your natural glow. They are perfect for all skin types and can be included in your daily or weekly skincare routine. Oil massages soften the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles by promoting circulation and collagen production. So without any delay, let's get started. Apply few drops of face oil. Face oil provides the necessary lubrication to ensure smooth movements during the massage. It also nourishes and hydrates the skin, making it feel soft and supple. For a sculpted face, start from the cheekbones and lift the skin towards the temples. This technique enhances the natural contours of your face. Also, massaging the cheekbones to the temples further enhances the lifting effect. Repeat 5 times. Next, massage your ears. This often overlooked area holds a lot of massaging points. So gently massage in circular motions. Repeat 5 times. Now, using all 4 fingers of both hands, lift your cheeks in an upward direction. This helps to lift and firm the skin. Repeat 5 times. On the forehead, use the tips of 3 fingers, starting from the center and sliding outwards and towards your temples. This smoothens fine lines and wrinkles. Repeat 5 times. Next, using your ring finger, start from the inner corner of your eyes and slide to the outer corners. This helps to reduce puffiness and dark circles. Repeat 5 times. Now, perform the same motion on your eyelids as well. Repeat 5 times. Using forefingers of both hands, perform a zigzag motion vertically across your forehead. This helps to minimize fine lines and wrinkles. Repeat 5 times. On the jawline, use upward strokes towards your ears. This lifting technique helps to define and tone the jawline. Repeat 5 times. Use upward motions to massage the neck area, promoting firmness and lifting. Repeat 5 times. Finally, finish off by tapping your fingers all over your face. This increases blood circulation and gives your skin a healthy glow. A simple yet effective oil massage routine that can transform your skin and help you feel more relaxed and rejuvenated. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If yes, then do share it with your friends and family so that it will be useful for them too. Remember, taking a few minutes for your skincare can make a world of difference for your skin as well as your overall well-being. Do try it out and let me know how it works. Until then, next time, take care. Check. இப்போதான் ஆன் பண்ணுறேன். ரொம்ப நேரம் ஆச்சு கேமரா ஆன் பண்ணி. நான் மைக் இப்போதான் ஆன் பண்ணுறேன். சாரி. செக் ஐயோ